This is Foz do Iguazu in Brazil, one of the most beautiful waterfalls in the world. Foz do Iguazu is located in Brazil, to be precise, in southern Brazil, in a state called Paraná, which is one of the wealthiest states in Brazil. It borders Brazil and Argentina in the south part of the country. And Foz do Iguazu is one of the seven wonders of the world. It is considered as one of the most interesting and beautiful places in the world. So come to visit this wonderful wonder that we have here in Brazil, in South America. So you won't regret coming here, because this is really a beautiful place for you to visit. In the Argentinian side, we have a province called Misiones, and in the Brazil side, the waterfalls are located in the state of Paraná, southern Brazil. So this is one of the most important sites in the whole world. The name Iguazu comes from the Guarani or Tupi words, meaning water, and Wasu meaning big. Legend has it that a deity planned to marry a beautiful woman named Naipi, who fled with her mortal lover Tarobá in a canoe. In a rage, the deity sliced the river, creating the waterfalls and condemning the lovers to an eternal fall. The first European to record the existence of the falls was the Spanish conqueror Álvaro Núñez Cabeza de Vaca in 1541. Now enjoy the noise of the waterfalls. I believe you are thinking they are really amazing. This is the National Park, Iguazu National Park. It's a reserve. It's protected by the Brazilian government. Nobody can touch the animals here. Neither fauna or flora. Everything is protected in this park, which is a symbol of Brazil. And Brazil is committed to preserving its nature, and especially the national park, which was known by UNESCO as a world asset. It is known by UNESCO. So it is well protected. And now you can see the devil's throat in the middle. It borders Brazil and Argentina. The devil's throat separates Brazil from Argentina. And Argentina side is the province of Misiones. Might be wondering, how can I access? How can I go to these places today in the airport? Oh yes, there are two major airports. So the falls may be reached from two main towns, with one on either side of the falls, all the way from Brazil and the border of Iguazu in Argentina, as well as from the Ciudad de Paraguay. On the other side of the Paraná River, from Foz do Iguazu, each of those three cities had a commercial airport. The falls are shared by Iguazu National Park in Argentina, as well as Iguazu National Park in Brazil. The two parks were designated UNESCO Heritage Sites in 1984 and 1986. The first proposal for the Brazilian National Park kept providing a Christian environment for future generations, just as it had been created by God, and endowed with all possible celebration. The beautiful footprints, the picturesque, the awesome, and unmatched flora created in the magnificent Iguazu waterfall. These were the words used by André Rebouças.